Welcome, my friends. I'm Miroslav, and today we're going to be making Balkan cheese pie. You're going to need 450 grams Filo dough, 350 grams feta cheese, 350 grams goat cheese or cream cheese, 1 cup Kiefer or yogurt, half a cup oil, 1 cup sparkling water, 4 eggs, half a teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon baking powder, we're going to start by mixing 4 eggs. Then add goat cheese or cream cheese. Add feta cheese. Add 1 cup of Kiefer or yogurt. Add oil. Add baking powder. And salt. Then mix it well until it becomes almost like a cream soup. And now we're going to add sparkling water and then gently mix it by hand. We're going to use Filo dough now. Count 8 sheets of Filo. Cover it back in a plastic and set it on the side. The rest of the Filo, we're going to cut it every ½ inch. And then just by hand untangle it. Now when you have all the Filo looking almost like pasta, slowly and gently start adding cut up Filo dough into a mix, a little bit at a time. Once you have everything done, set it on the side. Then we're going to use the baking dish and spread the oil all over the walls and the bottom so it doesn't stick. Now we're gonna use those 8 sheets that we put on the side. With first 4, you're gonna cover the bottom of the baking dish, and every sheet that you put in needs to stick out halfway out. Now we're just gonna pour the mixture in. And as you can see, it looks like a soup, but don't worry about it. It's gonna get fluffy and soft after it's baked. Now we're gonna add 2 sheets on top. Then we're gonna fold all the bottom sheets in. And then cover it with the remaining 2 sheets. For coating, use 1 egg and 1 tablespoon of milk. And just cover the top entirely. Bake it at 390 for about 50 minutes. It's ready when it rises and it turns brown. After you take it out of the oven, let it cool down a little bit before you serve it. I hope you enjoy cooking with me. Please click like, and if you're new to this channel, click subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.